Welcome back, students, to the online social studies class. I hope you have already seen the video of the chapter Unity in Diversity. In this video, we will do a recap and learn additional things related to the chapter. As you already know, diversity means a wide variety of something. Diversity means that each individual is unique, which means having individual differences. In your neighborhood, you may find people who speak different languages or follow different religions. Although people from same family as well might have different features. For example, your brother's hair might be curly but yours is straight, height difference, color difference, etc. Because God has made us special and we all are different from each other. But these differences should not come in a way of our friendship, relationships, etc. India is a land full of diversity that can be seen from religious practices, clothes we wear, languages we speak. In this chapter, we have learned about diversity in festivals. India is a democratic country with people of different faith living here and celebrating different festivals together. For example, Hindus they celebrate Holi, Diwali. Muslims celebrate Eid. Christians they celebrate Christmas. Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab, and Jain people celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. People respect each other's religion and celebrate the festivals together. For example, in Diwali children we burn crackers. During Christmas season we all dress up as Santa, wear Santa caps, and in Eid we relish the delicious biryani made by our neighbors or maybe your friend's mummy. Diversity in population. Student, as you already know, India is a populated country. It holds second place in the world when it comes to population. The population distribution of India depends on physical features like mountains, plain, desert, coastal area. People move out to different places in search of work. If suppose somebody who's living in Lucknow gets a good job in Delhi and earns better, they will move out to that place. So people move out from one place to another if they get better job opportunity or maybe to a place where their employment percentage is high. Now, diversity in clothes. India has 28 states and each state has its own culture, tradition, different physical features and different clothing of people depend on these factors. You can see the diversity of clothes as you can see the traditional dress of few states. Just for example, you will see the following images. Punjab. Now, the state of Punjab, men wear lungi along with kurta and they put turban on their head. Women, they wear salwar kameez. State of Bengal, men wear kurta and dhoti. Women, they wear shari, that we call sari also. Rajasthan, men wear dhoti along with angrakha, or you can say pajama kurta, and they also have a different style of wearing the turban. Women, they wear ghagra, choli and orni, that we call dupatta. So children, in this video we have done the recap of what is diversity, festivals, distribution of population, diversity in the clothes. Make sure that you revise the chapter. Stay home and stay safe.